G major. The G major scale has one sharp, and that's F sharp. G major, 60 beats per minute, quarter notes, both hands, one octave. Right hand, one octave, fingers relaxed, one finger per key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb under. Cross your third finger over. And you rest in one finger per key. Now left hand, again, one finger per key, hands resting, relaxed. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's look at each of these one hand at a time. Right hand, starting relaxed, one finger per key. First finger, 1, 2, 3. Now, this is where our thumb comes under. We do the thumb under technique. Our thumb is going to the C. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Thumb under. I'm going to reverse this position on the way back down. So it's good to just. And then when we descend, third finger crosses over and fingers back in position. Left hand, one finger per key. All 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then our third finger crosses over. 3, 2, 1. Descending. And here's where our thumb comes and crosses over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So we cross our thumb. Cross our third finger over. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thumb under. And fingers resting gently, one finger per key. G major scale, 2 octaves. Be very mindful of when we switch from the lower octave to the upper octave. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch thumb under. Oop. Okay, so we made it up the first octave just as usual. Thumb under here, finger over here. Now just as we get to the end, now our thumb on our right hand, our first finger, comes under to the next G. So that our G is on 1. Usually, we finish on our 5th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end on our 5th finger when we do 1 octave. When we do 2 octaves, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we put our thumb back under 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this when we finish on our 5th finger. And then coming back down, descending, chorus over our 3rd. Get to a 1 here, and see how my fingers are still playing one note per key, 1 finger per key. Then my 4th finger, right? Thumb, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3rd finger. Left hand. And we reach the top of the first octave, right? Usually. Yeah, well, that's exactly what we do. Then we go back down. We start going back down. But here's what has to happen. We have to cross over with our 4th finger. Our left hand. Finger here, thumb comes under, back to 1, and then descend as usual. Both hands again. Now I'm going to demonstrate the G major scale with the backing track. Something a little more fun. I hope you enjoy it. Let's have a little bit of fun. You can do this and so much more with your G major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's listen.